This is becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
A new and urgent plea for Americans to get vaccinated.
Do it for yourself, your family, and for your community.
CDC data shows the average of daily new cases in the U.S. is up nearly 70% in the last week. Not only are cases on the rise again, so are hospitalizations and deaths. And most people ending up in hospital with COVID are those without a shot.
The age of illness has really shifted from being an older population back in our initial surge in the winter to being ages 20, 30, 40 years old in the hospital and needing ICU care and oxygen.
Fewer than 50% of adults aged 18 to 24 and 25 to 39 are fully vaccinated. That number is even lower for children 12 to 18.
I have two small kids that can't get the vaccine yet, so I want to protect them.
Masks are back on this weekend in Los Angeles County, where just 0.09% of new cases have been among fully vaccinated people. Public health officials say while this is a small percentage, it is not an insignificant number in light of Los Angeles County's current substantial and increasing community transmission. So masking by all indoors can reduce everyone's risk of infection.
I believe in people wearing a mask, and yes, I am vaccinated.
It's better to do something now than wait a little too long and everyone end up having to be locked up indoors again.
It's expected more communities will bring back mask mandates.
Indoor mask mandates are important whenever you have a population that doesn't have a high level of vaccination and infection numbers that are rising. That is LA County right now. It's certainly parts of Missouri and Arkansas and other places with low vaccination rates.
Kansas City is recommending wearing masks again as officials there fight vaccine hesitancy.
It has been surprising and frustrating for us as well in public health.
I got my first dose of the Fauci ouchie.
As the Biden administration beefs up its own efforts to convince young people to roll up their sleeves.
Somebody said, Olivia Rodrigo to the vaccine clinic.
The president Friday blamed social media for allowing misinformation to spread.
They're killing people. I mean, look, the only pandemic we have is among the unvaccinated.
According to Johns Hopkins University, Canada and the U.S. are nearly tied in the percentage of the population fully vaccinated. As of Saturday afternoon, our neighbors to the south were sitting at 48.95%. Us in Canada, we're at 48.65% of the population double vaxxed. Caryn Ceolin, City News.